Connect the BC548 transistor on the breadboard such that the flat side faces us. Connect one pin of the LDR to the connector of the transistor and the other pin to the base of the transistor. Connect one pin of the resistor to the base of the transistor and the other pin to an empty space. Now use the connecting wires to connect the resistor and the emitter of the transistor to the second side of the breadboard. Now connect the shorter part of the LED, that is the negative part, to the emitter of the transistor and the longer part, that is the anode, to the resistor. Now connect the buzzer in the same way you connected the LED. Connect the positive part of the battery to the resistor and the negative part of the battery to the connector of the transistor.
But we've been living as friends. Yeah. So you've been a guest in your own home. It's time to make your house your own. Pick up the phone.
I'm coming home.